Hello, I'm Ute Gleich from International House Heidelberg in Germany, and I took over the language school last year, and it was suffering a bit, and I thought, how can we promote the school? And I thought, we are relatively small, maybe it's good to have a big institution behind us that is well known for good standard teaching, quality standards, and is well known among, for example, agents or worldwide. And that's why I thought it might help the school to recruit more students, to get better known, also in Heidelberg itself. We also want to step into the local market, and I think it was a good thing so far.
And tell me a little bit about your school. Where is it in Heidelberg, and what products do you teach?
The school is right in the center of Heidelberg, which is absolutely beautiful. Heidelberg is regarded as one of the most beautiful cities in Germany. So we are right in the center. We are study abroad school, typical. That means foreigner come to us and study German mainly. We also want to expand and do other languages like English for the locals, for example. And we just started with that, and we're going step by step. Yeah.